Hi people, this is the finished look of today's tutorial. It's a nighttime doll look, and yeah, heads up, I did use liquid foundation because my skin is just having a very tired time. And one tip that I would use for my skin type, which is combination leaning oily, is use mattifying liquid foundation for evening events. And if you want to see how I did this and the products that I use, please keep watching.
Hi guys, so to start off, I am going to put some ice on my eyes as I've only had 1 hour of sleep and stressing about school. After that, I'm going to put a white base all over my lid, right to the tippy top of my brow bone. Then I'm going to put this light brown and initial. Oh no, everything's blurry. It's so difficult with this camera. I don't know about its focus, but anyway, I'm putting it all over my outer crease, just trying to blend it. I'm also dragging that to the inner crease, just so I have more definition. As you guys can see, I do have a monolid, so something that I want to do in this look is make my eyes appear bigger. Going into a CARLI BYBEL palette, grab a darker brown and putting that on the outer V of my eyes and darkening it. I'm also applying it with a lighter hand on the inner view of my eyes, as when I was creating this look, I wasn't really sure if this is something I wanted. I was really going for a halo cut crease. Grabbing my infallible foundation from L'Oreal, I am going to cut my crease again. I started off thinking this is going to be a halo look, but changed my mind as I was going along, so I did a normal cut crease along the way. Going into a metallics palette, I'm grabbing the red and putting it all over where I cut my crease. Grabbing the L'Oreal Infallible again, I'm cutting my crease and then putting a shiny pink color from the metallics palette again to the middle until to my inner crease, just to make it pop. Then what you can see me do here is going over the shadows that I've already created to darken them up, as what I usually do is put on shadows light first, and then when I'm satisfied, that is when I go over with a heavier hand and more blending. Going back into the same pink, I'm putting that to the inner corner of my eye, and we're gonna leave the eyes there for now. I did that first because I want to avoid fallout. So going into Benefit Cosmetics Professional for foundation, I am using the Maybelline Superstay. Going into my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the darker tone, I am dotting that all over my face as a contour. And since I have quite a button nose, I am putting that to the end and then blending it out. I'm using both a brush and a beauty blender here. Going into the lighter shade of my Shape Tape Concealer, I am putting that under my eye luggage and to the places of my face that I want to highlight. And while I was blending, my skin suddenly wanted to become dry, so I had to use my L'Oreal Infallible setting spray just to add moisture and then continue blending that out. Going into Maybelline Age Rewind, I'm putting that all over my forehead, as I've noticed that my forehead tends to crease a lot, and so far Maybelline Age Rewind is the one that doesn't crease as much. Going into Mineral Cosmetics Alana Powder, I am setting my face all over where I applied the lighter concealer, as well as near my nose to avoid to brighten it up a bit and help lift it up. To brows, I am using this brow kit from Intuit. I used this in the last video as well, and it was a gift from my friend. This bronzer palette, I am grabbing the warmer bronzer tone and putting that all over my face before I get rid of the setting powder. This is because I blended out using the setting powder to kind of soften up the bronze a bit to make it look more natural. Going back into my eyes, I am grabbing the first brown and putting that on my lower outer waterline. I am also grabbing that same lighter pink from the Metallics palette and putting the wing liner off camera. After that, I'm going to do my mascara. Then this blush from Vanilla Co. and putting it on as a normal blush. Grabbing this Maybelline Superstay lipstick, I am going to put it on my lips and overline it a little. Grabbing this red lip liner, I am going to put that on the inner waterline of my lips so I have that gradient effect. Going back to the CARLI BYBEL Deluxe palette, I am grabbing that white highlighter and putting it on the inner corner of my eyes as well as my brow bone. Peachy highlighter, more natural glow. I'm putting that on the bridge of my nose. I'm putting that white highlighter to the top of my lips to define it more, as well as a lighter hand of that white highlighter to my cheekbones. Finally, I am going back into that Infallible setting spray and putting that all over.
Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I just really wanted to make this video to distress because with work going on and examinations, I just needed to blow out some steam, and this makeup time is my playtime. Yeah, I'm not really sure when I'll be able to post another video, but I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, go ahead and click that subscribe button and maybe the bell button, because like I said, I won't be recording much, but when I do, you'll receive a notification if you click that bell. Subscribe, and thank you so much again. Bye.